Hey guys, how's it going? So this is my van. For 2020, I am traveling the country to all the biggest gravel races, mountain bike races, road races, and track races in the country, and sleeping in this van. I'm gonna be vlogging the whole journey, and I can't wait to take you guys along with me. So let's check out the van. So a good place to start with this van is just the exterior. So for 2020, I will be using ZealPro bags to protect the bike. So those bags do come with a light kit. I haven't got the wiring set up in the back to get the brake light kit set up yet. Sorry, Gabe. The last real feature on the outside is the awning. The awning essentially sets up on the outside so we can all hang out outside the van, talk, chat, get to know one another, drink coffee, do whatever. But yeah, so let's dive inside the van. So let's dive into it a little bit. Obviously, this is the couch. This is where we hang out. Obviously, it's a compact van, so you might need to do a little bit of slouching. There's a desk right here. It moves. Get some work done. There's some storage on this end. I have chamois butter and Amp Human samples here, and some like Walmart trash bags and whatever else. And then I want to show you the shower system thing that I have going on. All right, so here under the couch, little table that lifts up. Put the stove on here. This past weekend we cooked on it because it was super windy out. I have a Chemex, some camping cups. They're collapsible, so pretty neat. Along with that, I have a shower. So I've noticed that I've used this to wash dishes. So far, I haven't really had much of a need to use a shower or anything crazy yet. But I have a feeling that it's gonna come in handy for bike cleaning, which I have two options for that. But the first one is obviously this electric shower. It turns on with just a little button right here. And you can actually hear it. So, and boom, it sprays just like that. So pressurized shower, super neat, super cool. Yeah, and so that is the shower. One other thing that I like to bring with me is a rinse kit. On top of having that cool shower, this is kind of nice just to like separate it from the car. It's pressurized as well. It fills up with a sink or a hose, and yeah, it's super easy. And spray down the bike or spray down yourself, clean yourself off, you know, whatever. But yeah, super cool. I'll put one of these. I'll put the link to this in the link below. Check it out. It's a pretty little sweet buy. So then I have a little bit of storage here behind my couch, which I just have propane tanks. Safety first. As well just throw them while you sit on them, right? So currently we're sitting inside the van. There's puck lighting here on the ceiling. And that turns on with a light right behind this cushion. We have lighting. And along with next to the dimmer, we have some USB outputs. We got it on this side right next to the fan remote. So if I decided that I wanted to cook some food inside my van, or if I wanted some air circulation or something cool, I have this cool little fan. And the fan has a rain sensor, so if it decides to start raining and I have it on while I'm driving, it just shuts off completely, and yeah, we're all good to go. Right here I have my coffee gear and my fridge. This is a Dometic Fridge. It's 12 volt, runs off of the battery, which I will show you here in a bit, but it's super simple, super cool. Got some chamois butter, koozies in there. Fill it up with beer. It's not on right now. That's that. I also travel with the Silca Maratona travel bag. This bag's perfect. It has everything that I need in it. I usually bring 2 pairs of shoes, a couple kits, and all that good stuff. And yeah, it all fits. My clothing fits as well, so that's super awesome. Keeps it easy, but yeah, so that's that. As you saw earlier, my coffee setup, I have a Chemex in the back, but I also bring just a simple AeroPress. Easy. So I hand grind all of my coffee, and I bring Switchback Coffee Roasters, which is here local in town. So yeah, if you see me at a race and you want an AeroPress or you want to pour over, come swing by. Maybe I'll make you one. On top of that, I also carry one of the Silca travel pumps, which is super cool. It stuffs right behind my fridge. To keep it authentic, I show you how small it was because it's right next to the water and right under my AeroPress. And it just comes with me to every single race. On top of that, I was given some of these heat shields. They all fit my windows. So when it's super hot outside, I put these on my windows, throw my cover up, and yeah, hopefully it keeps the cool air in and I don't overheat. And on the other side of the van, as you can tell, there's no awning on this side of the van. On the other side of the van, we have my battery hookup. This is my external battery. We can charge some normal things. It's a 300 watt battery, so it's not super strong, can't heat water or power microwaves or anything crazy, but we can still charge the laptop or anything along those lines. So that I feel like is enough for me. Here are my blankets set up. So this is just your regular old Walmart Coleman sleeping bag. This is your trucker Walmart blanket that hooks up in a 12 volt. It's a heated blanket, so if it gets super cold, that's what I use. This is my Coleman gas grill, and yeah, easy as that. So that's my van. Last but not least, I just wanted to show you the pull out of the bed. I don't really know how often I'm gonna pull out the bed because really the single-sided bed can be enough for me. Voila, now you have a bed. It's a full-size bed. Put the laptop on here, do some exploring, do some chilling, Netflix and chill. So yeah, thanks for watching my van tour. This is gonna be my race home for 2020. Be sure to like and subscribe if you wanna see more content, because I will be posting some awesome content living out of this van. And yeah,